Okay, we're in the process right now of doing a 50 to 100 pound test on this ore that you're looking at right there. And so we're going to be doing that over and see what kind of a, we do a 50 pound test is to see what kind of a button that we get. The same with 100 pound. So we have enough to do 100, but right now I'm thinking very seriously about just 50 pounds, all right? And this is the ore from the property from the 139 acres, okay? All right, these are all 5 buckets, and we're going to be doing the HCl, actually the H2O2 and the HCl this evening, and we'll drop the sponge tomorrow. So anyway, that's what we're getting ready to do. Okay, we're going to go in and stir all this now, and then let it sit. We got it into the overflow buckets, so this is what we're doing. Okay, well, they're in the overflow buckets, so just going to let them overflow. You can see they're overflowing a little bit, so I'll pour it all back in. Goodbye. All right, this is all 5 buckets after the HCl got through. We'll take you up to a close-up one. So as you can see, that's it right there. That's a close-up of one of the buckets. As you can see, it's kind of a yellow looking. So I'm real curious to see what the HCl is going to do. We're getting ready to put that in just a minute. Okay, we're going to start all 5 of them. They're already starting to turn to chloride, so which is a good sign. But we got to stir them up. them all stirred up. I thought we'd show you some of the chloride into this so you can see it, and we will get right up on it. Right there. It's pretty golden, and when you take it away from the site a little bit, you can see the difference in the solution. So you can see where the ore is and where the chloride is. So anyway, that's it for right now. It changed our process a little bit. We've got a 200 to 600, and then we got 200, 400, 600. Then we have this going through a bucket that's got holes in it, and then through a 600 micron down into the bottom bucket, which should pretty well clear everything up. So as far as all that goes, we're going to see how it works. So we're going to that's about it. So we'll let that drain through. We'll see how our bucket's working. Okay, that's 50 gallons. That's 50 pounds. The liquid off of 50 pounds. So we're going to be putting that into a sponge tomorrow. So, because there's going to be a lot of it. So, all right, bye. All right, as you can see, we've already started dropping the zinc strips into this. So we're getting the sponge. We had to divide this up into two 5-gallon buckets. So we're doing the first part of it now. We'll do the second part of it a little bit when this gets done. And then we're going to be pouring off the sponges. So that's where we sit at the moment. Okay, this is the wet sponge out of 50 pounds, 24.52 grams. Okay, we will let this dry overnight, and we will pour the button in the morning. All right, this is the dried sponge. It's 14.54 grams. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and put that in the furnace. All right, we have we're going to use our induction furnace to go ahead and get this heated up, so that we can see what kind of a button that we're going to get out of it. So hang on. Okay, we've got the furnace on, and so we're going to see, you can see it's already starting to work. So this is set for 1665 Celsius. So we're going to see. Just so you can see, that's 1073 Celsius. So, and you can see how white hot that is turning. So, all right, out of that dried sponge, we got a 4.60 gold button. And we'll see if we can get a close-up of this so as you can see it. There's what it looks like. We'll take it outside in the sunlight, but 4.60 grams. Okay, there's the button, 4.60 grams. And that's what it looks like. So, anyway, that's it. Goodbye.